Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out the Botslab 4K PT Battery 4Cam Kit, a wireless solar-ready AI-powered security system that promises stunning 4K video, no subscription fees, and total coverage of your property. Sounds good? Let's dive in. In full transparency, I was sent this product for free in the purpose of making this video. So this is the Botslab W510 4Cam kit, sometimes referred to as the W510 system. You get 4 AMP 4K PT pan tilt cameras and a central home base with local storage and AI smarts. Best part, no recurring fees. You're in control. The cameras deliver impressively sharp 4K Ultra HD footage, capturing tiny details, think faces, license plates, even 30 feet away. In low light, color night vision remains vivid. Plus, each camera offers 8x digital zoom and wide dynamic range, which means clean images in bright and shadowy areas. Now, the real kicker, Botslab IQ AI. This suite handles intelligent notifications with natural language text summaries like courier in blue vest approaching. So you get a clear heads up without tapping into a video. It also filters false alarms and works with multi-zone detection. Intelligent alarm then steps in. Voice alerts like man in grey hood, stay away from my car, can actually help deter intruders. One of my favorite features is the AI search tool. Once enabling it, head to events and you'll see a little icon on the bottom right that says AI search. It's going to allow you to search for people like kids, men, women, or the elderly, or certain scenarios, maybe cats, a package being dropped off. And that way it will bring up every single video clip from that day or the date that you choose that has that exact filter in it. That means you can go through all your security footage in a matter of seconds and minutes rather than scrolling through screens and screens and screens just hoping to find what you're looking for. Cross-camera tracking stitches multiple camera views of the same event into one smooth video. Moving on, storage. The video isn't held on some cloud that you pay for. It's held locally on the H200 home base, which starts with a 32GB built-in and supports up to a massive 16TB via 2.5-inch drives. All encrypted, all yours, no monthly costs. Thanks to the wireless design, setup is simple. No messy wiring, each cam has a 10,000 mAh battery backed by a 5-watt solar panel that can be attached directly or be placed separately. It keeps things charged all day even when it's cloudy. So, outdoor ready? You bet. These cams have an IP66 rating, so dust and water resistant, and operate in temperatures from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 122 degrees Fahrenheit. That's -20 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius. So it's perfect for those tough weather conditions. And as you can see, when it comes to night vision and at night, the image is crystal clear. This is the infrared setting, and I'll show you my camera image so you can see how dark it actually is.
Now this is the automatic full color night vision mode. So this will turn the light on. So what this does is project a light and then will fill the area that's darkest and will actually be able to pick up and fulfill the color needs.
So user reviews reflect the polish here. Folks highlight clear picture quality, easy setup, reliable storage, and prompt support. One user even said that they had fast reply from support when they had questions. And the battery-free local storage was a standout feature. So let's break down the pros and cons. First of all, pros. 4K clarity with color night vision. Clever AI, alerts, search, alarm, and tracking. There's no subscription, you own your own footage. The solar assisted battery power and easy installation, and it's rugged for outdoors. Now the cons. Battery and solar panels might need thoughtful placement. Digital zoom is not optical, so some of the quality may drop at the maximum zoom. And the advanced AI might add a cost compared to basic systems, although it's still under $400 on the Botslab store. So the bottom line, if you're hunting for a well-rounded subscription-free AI smart 4K ready system, the Botslab 4K PT battery 4cam kit checks all the boxes. Great for homeowners wanting high quality intelligent surveillance without ongoing costs. If you are interested, we are going to leave a link in the description below. You can head over there, find out some more details, or pick these up for yourself. Leave a comment below on what your favorite feature was. Share this with a friend who needs to heighten their security in a smart way. Hit that like button and of course subscribe for more great reviews like this.